time they make statements, they mad. I don't know why they can hate it. Talking about they dropping on the lady. I ain't got that love. They say they hate it. Just praying, yeah, Lord. That's cold. What time they come right? What they tell me about that time?
To get off this boat, you must pass the quiz. If you do not pass this quiz, you're staying with me and helping me sweep up. The Chicago flag does throw red flag.
Some people be hating, and some people be out on their boats and yachts. Maybe they hating too though. What they hating about though, you think, if they hate? I was drawn to them 3 boats over there like they was planning to do something great. So maybe I'm wrong, maybe they planning to do something horrible, but my idea is they gonna do something great. Which I'm looking like, look at all these people with boats. Some people don't got homes. Do you need a perspective? Because maybe that's a perspective. Like, maybe the stuff that you worry about isn't even a concern. Ended up being the room tour. Yes. Chicago and Mariah. Thank you, Jesus. Let's get it. That we missing. You could be the one that's going different.